Hey, what's up guys? I'm doing another 350Z vlog. This time I decided to finally put my anime decal on the car. I started cutting this one. See, just cut it there. It used to be this big right here, but I cut it down to this size, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this one. Just cut around here because I don't really need all this other stuff on the car. And then now that one and this one, they're gonna go on the side of the car, and this one here, the big one, is gonna go on the hood. And these two ones, the side piece, they're not so bad to cut, because except the part where you gotta get over here, right here, this part here. But the rest of it, it's just the outline to cut. Now this one for the hood right here, I gotta cut all this out. I gotta cut her out. I got all this stuff here on her hair. I gotta, like this here, I gotta cut that out, this out. It's just it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do this one. I got a lot of cutting, but hopefully I can get it without messing up. Yeah, that's it for now, guys, and I'll get back to you guys once I have everything cut out and put on the car. Alright guys, quick update. I got the second decal done and cut out. It's short, and it's ready to be put on the car, and so is the other one. Alright guys, so we got the first side piece done, thanks to my little bro over there. So now we just gotta do the other side and the hood, and it looks cool. It was hard to put on there, but we got it on there. Well, up to the next piece. Alright guys, so we got the other side done, the passenger side done also. It looks good. So now all I have to do is do the hood up here, and then I'm all done with the decals. Yeah, hopefully I can get the hood done next week. That's what I'm hoping. Alright guys, that's it for this vlog. See you guys next time.